देव बरी सास सगल्यांक आवडटा. आयज खोशेचो दीस पूण मातशें शीं पडलां आनी सगळे जाण स्वेटर घालून बसले. लॉना ज्या तायान येदे व्हडल्यान कातारां कोत्ताले सगळीं जाणां अशीं रावल्लीं. हांव चिंतालो कोण तरी उठोन सगळीं जाणां कोदेली चोड घातल्यो दिसता म्हाका. Let us have a very big round of applause with a standing ovation for this evergreen nightingale of Goa. चोड चोड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा बाय लॉना. तूं हिंगा येयली आमच्या बार्देजान आनी कारोणान आनी सगळ्या लोकांक तुवें खोशी केली. कितलेच जाण जे रिकॉर्डिंग केलां ते फाल्यां फेसबुकार तुजे आख्खे गोंयभर आख्खे इंडिया आनी सगळे आमचे गोंयचे लोक जे लंडन आहा हिंगासरले खुबशे लोक आहा लंडनाक कॅनडा ते सगळे पळयतले आनी खुशी जातले की लॉना इज कम टू कारोणा. धाकटुलो गांव हो पूण सगळे खुशेन भरल्या लोक तूं हिंगा येयला म्हणून. आनी आनेकदां सगळ्या आल्दोनकारांच्या नांवान आनी कोंगोटकारांच्या नांवान आनी गोंयच्या नांवान तुका देव बरें करूं म्हणटा हांव. And we are very happy. You don't know how happy the people are, especially from Goa and abroad, that you are coming again and again to Goa and giving your melodious voice. Thank you. God bless. Thank you, Aldona. Thank you, Karona.
Today, St. Rita's Association has come up with this beautiful show with all the support from our beloved, my colleague Michael Lobo. And of course, they have brought Lorna in Corona. Lorna is a national, international celebrity. We all know she has come with great music, great songs like Kalangut, Lisboa, Adios, Babdo, Red Rose, and number of songs. She too has sang with the music directors in Bollywood, and of course with the great late Mohammed Rafi. In fact, by Lana, as amka Kushal Bhakta, तुझो तालो आयकोन आमच्या सारके आमी म्हणटात कोंकणी आमचे कांटे उबे जातात. Our hair stands. I remember incident. When I was driving, normally when I drive out of Goa, I take my vehicle and I go on. And I remember at that point of time I was very, very tired. I hardly slept the previous night. And I had to go, almost driving about 500 kilometers. And believe me, I was sleepy. And you know, driving on the highway, you have to be very, very attentive because you make a mistake. 1 second, you're probably no more. But I thought of Lorna. I had her CDs. I put her music, you believe me, started from Goa, landed to Karnataka, 450 kilometers, only with her music, and my sleep went away. My sleep disappeared, and when I reached to my destination, I could not sleep for almost 2 hours. That is Lorna all about. And today, we are happy and delighted to have Lorna in Corona in our beautiful constituency.
Sadly,